Oh gosh. Oh wow. That's a nice smallmouth. Stay on, baby, stay on. Oh wow, he's really digging. I think I got him hooked good. Wow, he came out of nothing. Come here, buddy. Come here. Oh man, I just barely got you hooked. Oh, look at that! It came off of my hand! Man, he absolutely smoked that thing. Look at the color on him too.